Okay, continue from the last session. Last two sessions, we provisioned the cloud component, Azure Media Service, and Azure IoT Central. And also, we provisioned the virtual machine on the represented the IoT Edge service, and including the multiple Docker containers deployed there and running there. And in this session, we are going to deploy the IP camera simulator on the virtual machine itself, because it's a simulator, it's a software, and based on open source software called Live555. And the video we're going to use is going to be the, this is my local, on my local. This is a video that we are going to use. It's kind of camera and monitoring our highway, and we try to identify the bus and the truck in a certain period of time. Okay, so the first step, we need to copy this video from my local to the Linux, and I've already put to a cheat sheet here, and we can make a copy, and open our CMD. The password. Okay, it started copying. Okay, let's take a look on the yeah, the file is already here, and now we can running the command to start the Docker container of the process. The one thing I would like to indicate is that in the current edition of the instruction, this command doesn't work. This command doesn't include a source of the video, so it doesn't work. That's why I just use the new command here, and to start it. Let's see, and go back to the console and paste. Okay, it's downloading the Live555, and then it is restarting. Okay, so it's so quick. So let's take a look. Okay, Live555 already been deployed here. Now we have, from this architecture perspective, we have this part. We have this part, this part. Now let's create our camera device, and to see if we can we get the information from the IoT Central. Get the device. Go to the device, and go to gateway. Open the gateway. Go to command. So now get device if we want to match, and we can follow the instruction. And for example, is camera number 3. The URL is going to be the same because they are deployed on the virtual machine and using the internal IP address. So we're going to use the same URL. And user password. Choose the object detection. Okay, so then we take a look. the camera number 3 is already deployed here, and we will run open. And when we come to the manage, and we increase the timeout time from the 10 seconds to 20, so that just in case need more time to digest the video. Okay, and we go to commands. We click the run. So right now the video is stopped. So that's why as an operator I can really remote control my camera. Make it run. Okay, let's check the command. Okay, it's succeed. Now we go to the dashboard. Okay, now we can see the track is coming. So which means on the edge is keep scanning the video, whatever take from the site, right? In this case, remember the video is as we just saw that video is same thing as a highway, and then we try to identify which one is truck, which one is bus coming, and maybe we can apply to other use case as long as we train the AI model. For example, in the COVID-19 environment, we can check who has the mask and who does not have the mask in the public sites, right? And also the link is coming, and right now the link does not work, and then we have to start some local process and to make sure the link is working, and which is maybe the next section we are doing that. Now you can see, the maybe 20% have the bus and 80% have the truck so far on the monitor on the street, on the highway. So that's overall the demonstration, and in the next session, if maybe we can configure something left over, just for example, configure how to explore the videos which is recorded in the medium service and the medium storage, and we can expose and explore whatever happening. Okay, and thank you.